Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and as you can see I'm all dressed up with proper ethnic wear, wearing all my ethnic accessories, and I'm wearing a suit with proper lightings because it's the festive season. And जैसे कि आप जानते हैं that Diwali में it's all about like sweets and gifts and every single thing, and I am this person who loves Diwali as a festival. It's like one of my favorite festival of the season, and I am super duper excited because I have done few of my purchasing this Diwali and I have got few gifts as well, and I'm so excited to show you what I have purchased and what I've got. And guys, this is my first purchase that I have gifted myself this Diwali is an air fryer. So this air fryer is like air fryer plus oven, and this is they have like these small little trays over here and this baking dish, so you can bake cookies and cakes at the same time, and it's absolutely healthy. So I thought that why not to give myself a complete healthy start of the year, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to bake and cook. And this is my next purchase which I have gifted myself this Diwali, and it's X80 Pro Vivo. It is the extreme high version in India that has been launched recently, and I literally love this phone because it has this inbuilt gimbal, and the storage, the camera is like fantastic. I so love this. It's a little heavy though, but it's absolutely fine. I just love this phone. It's so amazing. और guys, मैंने अपने लिए एक और परचेज किया है, एंड आई वुड से दैट दिस इज़ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव परचेज जो मैंने अपने आप को दिया, एंड स्पेशली अपने हॉबी के लिए जो एक रीसेंट हॉबी निकला है फोटोग्राफी का, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई हैव गिफ्टेड माई सेल्फ दिस अमेजिंग कैमरा ऑफ R5, एंड अब मैं आपको डिटेल से दिखाती हूँ. लेट मी शो यू माई Canon R5 कैमरा, एंड दिस इज़, इसके लिए तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. सो लेट मी शो यू. ऑलरेडी मैंने थोड़ा सा ये पैकिंग ओपन कर ही दिया है, बट आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस. लुक एट दिस गाइस. इसका 45 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा है, एंड विच इज़ गोइंग टू गिव मी अमेजिंग पिक्चर क्वालिटी, एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस स्टनिंग ब्यूटी गाइस. सो अमेजिंग. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई मेड such amazing purchase. So let's talk about being more luxurious, and that is why I have one more purchase जो कि काफ़ी luxury purchases हो रहा है मेरा इस दिवाली, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you. And this is my Hermès purchase. Look at the beauty guys, just look at this. It's so stunning. The plates and the cups, they are absolutely a delight, like super luxurious. Just look at this, and oops, I need to be careful. It's like pretty expensive, but just look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? What do you think, guys? And guys, there are few more gifts जो कि मेरे friends ने मुझे gift दिया है, and that is one of this pearl bag, and this bag is like so cute, and जो भी मुझे जानते हैं they all know that I love pearls so much, and this particular bag is like so stunning and cute. I think that I'll be carrying in all the parties and all the functions, and this is literally me. And I've got this cute little eyeshadow palette. It was being gifted by one of my makeup artist friend, and look at the shades. It looks so cool and amazing, and I just felt that this was such a gorgeous gift. Like super duper excited to use this, and especially it's in my favorite color, pink. I've got one more gift guys, and this was being gifted by one of my makeup artist friend as well, and these are the brushes. Like what else girls need more, like obviously makeup and brushes and all those stuff, and this is the entire set of it. Quite love the packaging as well. The only thing is I wish they had like more beautiful colors in this box but any which ways, I really loved it. Thank you. And this is another gift that it was being gifted to me this Diwali by my darling friends, और ये particular leather purse है. It's a leather sling bag. I'm literally not a very leather person, but definitely this is a really super beautiful bag, and it's quite luxurious as well. I can see and touch the leather. It's really amazing, and it is very smart. So most of the things I have like very girlish. I don't have something like this, and I'm like super excited to use this. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed my little unboxing and showcasing of what I purchased and got this Diwali. Hence wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali.